Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Elma Luna Camion. I'm 37 years old and I am a mother of two wonderful kids. They are both girls. Their ages 10 and 8 years old. I worked before in Qatar for 2 years and 3 months. My main duties there is taking care of the children. They are both girls also. Their age is 7 and 3 years old. And I do cleaning and tidying the house. I do washing and ironing the clothes. I do cooking. And when the kids are at home, they have no class. My focus is to take care of them. I assist them in taking their bath, changing their clothes, and make them sleep. And I do also cooking their food, and most of the time we play, and I do reading books, some English books for them. And here in Hong Kong, I work almost 9 months in my employer, and my main duties here is I taking the kids, the boy, three years old. I assist him in taking his bath, changing clothes. I teach him how to change clothes by his own, and then I teach him also some English words, and I do reading English books with him, and then I do making exciting and wonderful kid stories like that, because the baby boy always want me to tell him some stories. That's why I do always reading some storybooks, especially English books. And I do also cleaning and tidying the house, especially if the baby boy is at school. And then I do also washing and ironing clothes, and sometimes I do cooking and marketing. And that's all. And if you hire me, Ma'am and Sir, I promise to you that I will do my responsibility as your helper. I promise that I am an honest person, I am a kind person, and I will love your family as my own, especially the kids, because I love kids. That's all. Thank you, and God bless.